Hey, this is Chad Crenshaw with Love That Door, here to answer all your frequently asked questions. What security features should I be looking for in aluminum sliding windows and doors? The very first thing you should look for is a multi-point locking system. That means when the window or the door is locked, it's locking in multiple points. That way, nobody can jimmy the lock, nobody has access to your home. At least a 3-point multi-locking system is recommended. We do 3 up to 5 depending on the size of the unit. One of the most important security features of any aluminum product is the inside of the frame. You want to make sure that you're getting at least a 10 gauge minimum aluminum on any kind of window or door. You also want to make sure it's extruded extremely well. And here's the thermal break system inside. When dealing with windows or doors in a residential setting, you have certain codes that you have to abide by. And some of those codes say that some windows have to be tempered glass. Well, any glass here at Love That Door is always going to be tempered. It's double tempered. That means the outside piece of glass is tempered and also the inside piece of glass is tempered. On any operating window, we have a locking mechanism. What this allows you to do is open up your casement window, your awning window, or your sliding window and flip a latch, and this will only allow the window to open so far. This is a security feature and also a child safety lock feature so that children cannot escape. If you would like to learn more, please visit lovethatdoor.com.